Hi, it's Paul Saba, Leon Speakers here at ISE 2020. Thanks for joining us today. I want to show you a product that we're introducing here called the Horizon Interactive Fit. So what you see here behind me is a speaker bar, a sound bar that appears to be custom width to the size of this display. And in fact, we would build it, depending on the display, custom fit. But in fact, what you have here is a product where if you remove the speaker grill, you see tremendous flexibility here to be able to mount not only our speakers, but all manner of small form factor electronics can be mounted inside here, including this camera. And now we can customize that to use for different cameras in the marketplace, including Logitech, Poly, Hudley. So the point here is that we've got a product that's super flexible, that allows you to do video conferencing in small huddle spaces with the ability to mount electronics behind a speaker grill that is custom fit to the size of the display. Check it out at leoncommercialsound.com.